What's up, guys? And today something is about to happen. Something in the wildlife that I bought at a place. So I got this thing and it just looks like a normal thing. I already built it. So what you do, I'm not gonna take it off. So like there's like this like one part, and then you like put it around the balloon, and then you blow it in, and then you put it onto here, and then like it's supposed to fly. Let's see if that works. So here I have it. Let's give it a go. Okay, you close it, you put it on here, but you see that. That's where like all the air is gonna travel, and then like supposedly it's supposed to go up. So let's see. There's one little itty bitty hole, so I'm supposed to tighten this. Let's go. Wow. That flew. But let's see if we can try to make it a little bit bigger. Let's go. There we have our big balloon. 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was sick. Sorry. I didn't have enough air. Oh yeah, and if you didn't see, I got a haircut. And then I also love baseball. If you come out like if you like watch on my shorts, if you watch go back like a few moments ago, you would see a home run short. That's how you know that I play baseball. So if you come over here, my hair's already growing, but like you can like see the stitches of the ball. That of course like it got like cut. So yeah. But also something happened today. I played baseball. So I am now in kid pitch. But if you look right here, you can see stitches of the ball right there. I got hurt. Someone when I was batting, someone threw the ball. I just knew that this guy was about to throw it directly at me, and this guy throws like fastballs. So like I was like. So, yeah, I got hurt. But thank goodness, God saved me. Okay, but let's go on with the video. Let's see. Let's go. That was sick. So, guys, you already know. Hit that like, subscribe, and hopefully I can make this channel grow. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers. So if you can, if you can do that for me, that would be awesome. That will light up my heart. But here. How many times do you want me to do this? I'll do it 5 more times, okay? Actually, 3. 3, 2, 1. I'm definitely doing this 2 more times now. Extremely good. Let's put it in. Oh, got it. Hey, here's my little buddy. So, let's go. Here's my little buddy called James. James. I need some deep breaths. If you can see that's a beautiful sky. If you can tell this bird to go away, if you can even hear it, that's extremely loud. Okay. I'm doing this another time. Let's go. One last time. So guys, that's a good ending. So guys, I hope that you have a blessed day, a wonderful day, a great day, even though the day's about to end. But I hope you liked this video. Hopefully you can like and subscribe once again. So you can have a beautiful day. Bye guys.